Alright, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. Look, I'm gonna go right on in and do my nails here because I ain't got time today, okay? Alright, look at here. I'm gonna go in using these here 3XL tapered square nail tips, okay? So, yeah, if I forget to leave anything down in that description bar below, it's because I don't have the link to it, or, you know, it just can't find it or whatever, okay? But anyway, just go ahead and get you something to eat on, something to drink on, girl. Sit down and watch my little video. And fellas, too, you know, hey, that's what it is. Let's get started, y'all. I'm gonna go in with this here fine sanding band and take the shine off these nail tips. I'm gonna try out this little brush I purchased from Aliexpress. Don't look too cute, but yeah, we're gonna give it a go and see what it do. Look at this brush. It ain't looking healthy. The brush looks like some dog hair. I don't know if I want to use this one. Remove my mask. I mess up my nails with this brush, I'm gonna be upset, okay? I don't know if I want to use this one, y'all. Dang, Aliexpress. Sure, we can't win them all, huh? But come on now, really? I ain't gonna get one use out of this brush? Girl, she got some hair straying everywhere. We ain't gonna waste our time. Cause y'all ain't about to be laughing me off no YouTube. Ah, look at her. I already don't know how to lay no acrylic already as it is. I ain't about to get on here and embarrass myself. Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. Girl. Alright, let me find a smaller brush. Let me see what this acrylic brush should do. Mind you, y'all purchased these here from Aliexpress. This a little tiny little fella. I don't know, girl. This will probably be good for beginners with really short nails. Because this ain't going to get no long nails. Picks up the product pretty good. Yeah, this ain't going to get no long nails, girl. Hold on. It look like I'm going to have to flip the next bead over because this color is marbling like crazy. Girl, I'll be all day. Yeah, this little brush is for some short sets. Hold on. Straight up dog hair too. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This ain't no Kolinsky. I don't think this one said Kolinsky. It better not have said no Kolinsky on that site. I'm sure we can go back and see. It's dog hair. I'm trying to flip this bead again so it won't marble as much. And it's still marbling. Woo! I'm going to flip her again. This color is truly marbling. Look at this brush, y'all. Oh, we. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hang this one up, y'all. Because this here like some plastic and wool. Like they made this here. I don't know. But we ain't going to. Alright, so that's the 2 no-goes for Aliexpress. These 2 brushes here was clearly made out of dog hair. Okay? If you watch my haul video and you seen me unpack these 2 brushes, no, I do not recommend these 2. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with this here brush here. This is an Old Faithful. This brush was actually made for me by a YouTuber here, maybe about 6 years back. Yeah, thank you so much, Anna Navarro. She's still hanging on in there, girl. But anyway, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to try to marble this next nail. Alright, let me try and pick some of this up and get her on the nail. I'm going to go in with maybe some clear and ombre her too as well. We're going to try, I'm not ombre, but we're going to try and marble this. I'm not all that good at this marbling stuff, y'all. I be trying. I still be trying. You see me messing up, you don't worry about that. Because I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect, baby. Alright. I'm trying to clean up this here smile line real fast. So I'm gonna try. Oh, that ain't looking too hot. Hold on, sis. girl. Yeah, I had to go in and fix my smile line because with the length of this nail, she wasn't smiling hard enough for me. Yeah, it was just smirking. So I had to, bring it down just a tad bit, make it look a little better. Alright, so I got my hearts in here. I'm going to go in, I'm going to press them in with this thingy here to try and bend them, okay? Give them a nice little bend so they can lay on the nail. Hey, that did pretty well. So now I'm going to go in with this here top coat, and I'm going to go across my little nail here. Go across the nail like right up in here, down there. And this is before I encapsulate the nail in clear. Okay, so I kind of did this here with clear acrylic, but I just want to play with my little gadget thing here. Alright, so I'm going to lay my hearts on the nail. That's one right there. Let me lay some smaller ones here. I'm going to turn this on like that, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to press it. I'm going to press it right here too as well. So when you press it down, the UV light cures them.